Isa sa madalas na sinasabi ko kapag may nagtatanong sa akin ano ba yung best niche or ano ba yung magandang gawin as a freelancer or ano yung service na pwede mong i-offer. Ang lagi kong tinatanong is, ikaw, ano bang kaya mong i-offer na service? Administrative, creative, tech, support, or sales? Kung nasa corporate ka ngayon, may corporate work ka, gusto mo mag-shift to freelancing, kahit side hustle lang, or like gusto mo sanang matap lang yung industry just to see if it's something na will work or might work for you. Pagkatapos sa corporate work mo, ang ginagawa mo is nag-handle ka ng books, then bookkeeping, or yung tawag namin sa amin is financial virtual assistant is for you. Also, the other day, I was talking to Coach Potito and he even mentioned na no matter what industry you're in, no matter what position you're in, lalong-lalo na kung gusto mong mag-handle ng operations management, kailangan marunong ka mag-handle ng book. You need to know how the financial system of the business works. This and more we teach sa aming financial virtual assistant class. Ano pa nga ba yung mga question kagabi sa live? Taxation, yes, kasama siya. Pagdating sa platforms, kung QBO ba or Zero, guys, you have to remember, etong mga platforms na to, magkakaiba lang sila ng itsura, interface. Pero yung functionalities, kapag alam mo na kung paano i-handle sa isa, madali mo naman na navigate yung ibang platform. And while our class have certificates, you have to remember na depende sa kung anong hahawakan mo na system, pwede kang mag-take dun mismo sa platform na yon para magpa-certify dun sa mismong platform na yon. Hindi namin sasabihin sa inyo at bubuladasin namin kayo na okay na yung cert mo sa amin. No! But if you're into bookkeeping, guys, then I highly recommend our Financial Virtual Assistant class by Mami Ladi. Imagine, for the price of 999 pesos, meron kayong 2 live sessions, pagkatapos meron kayong 2 weeks na internship, pagkatapos mag-application book na tayo, final activity, mock interview, saka namin kayo isa-certify na nag-take kayo ng class namin. And registration is very easy. If you guys wanna i-click nyo lang itong link sa bio ko pagkatapos it will open this page. Now, after opening this page, makikita nyo sa may bandang gitna, tatas nyo lang yan, open classes, hahanapin nyo 999 Financial Virtual Assistant, Financial VAN, Financial Virtual Assistants with internship. Pag-click nyo yan, guys, mag-open na yung form, mandun na lahat ng information kung paano mag-enroll. You guys can also go to my Instagram account, pwede nyo i-click tong link na to. And in case hindi gumana yung TikTok at saka yung Instagram, punta kayo sa Facebook, hanapin nyo tong video na to or check nyo yung mga post. Pag nakita nyo yung Financial VA, nandun sa mismong caption yung link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, makikita nyo sa description box. So again, this is for aspiring freelancers na may corporate work, usually handling books, accountancy, students, lahat. Or if you are a freelancer already and you wanna upskill kasi gusto mo na sa papuntang operations management na yung atake, ganyan, then this is the best class for you. Next weekend na yung class neto, so mag-enroll na kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home. Chismis tayo.